In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gradient color to text in Canva. If you're looking to spruce up your designs with some vibrant color effects, this tutorial is for you. So let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Canva. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Canva's URL or using a saved bookmark if you have one. Once you're there, you'll see various options to continue. Go ahead and click on Continue to log into your Canva account. If you're using Google to sign in, make sure to select your Google account to link it with Canva. After selecting your account, a prompt for permission will appear. Ensure everything looks good and click Continue. Now with your Canva dashboard in front of you, navigate to the project you'd like to work on. If you haven't created a project yet, feel free to start a new one. Once you're inside your project, look for the Apps section. You'll typically find this in the Canva toolbar. Clicking on it allows you to explore all the additional features Canva offers. Within the Apps section, type Gradient into the search bar. This tool is perfect for adding those smooth gradient effects to your text. Once you've typed it in, it'll pop up in the results. Click on Type Gradient and then on its icon to open it. This will give you access to a range of gradient text effects. Now with the Type Gradient interface open, begin by typing your desired text in the text box provided. You can enter anything from a word to a full sentence depending on how you want your design to look. Once you've entered your text, it's time to pick the design and color scheme that appeals to you. You'll see a variety of gradient designs offered. Simply select one that matches your vision. After choosing a design, you'll notice there are further options to adjust the color shading. This is where you can get creative and adjust the gradients to your liking. Play around with these settings until you're satisfied with how the colors blend and flow across your text. Once everything is set up to your liking, click Add to Design. This will insert your newly styled gradient text into your Canva project, seamlessly adding that burst of color you were aiming for. Finally, once your gradient text is in place, take a moment to admire your work and see how it fits with the rest of your design. Congratulations, you've successfully added a gradient color effect to your text in Canva. And that's it! Now you know how to give your designs that extra pop with gradient text. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.